Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. Today's video will explain to you Huawei phone stuck on logo screen. One of the main reasons people have mobile phones is for convenience. But it is ironic when you find that your Huawei phone stuck on logo can't even load to the home screen. The screen keeps showing the Huawei logo for a long time and refuses to reboot or reset. But fortunately, your Huawei phone may not be broken and you can get your Huawei device back to normal with just a few steps. But before trying the solution, we will explain the reasons why your Huawei phone is stuck on Huawei logo. Please be patient and try the methods in the video. Try all the steps here in the order we present. The instructions here work for almost all series of Huawei phones including Mate series, Pura series, Pocket series, Ascend W series, Ascend Y series, Nova series, Ascend GX series, G series, T series, U series, Y series, Honor series, Enjoy series and so on. There are many reasons why Huawei phone hang on logo. Here, we will list 4 common reasons. Knowing the reasons why Huawei stuck on logo can help you solve the problem more easily. The reason why Huawei is stuck on logo may occur when there is a software glitch or the software carries a virus. Huawei phone gets stuck on logo when you are updating your device but the update process is interrupted or cannot be completed due to some reason. If you try to customize some software or operate the software, the problem of stuck on logo screen may also come along. Huawei devices have been dropped or soaked in water, causing internal connections to short or damage, which is also one of the reasons why Huawei phones are stuck on logo screen. How to fix Huawei phone stuck on logo. If your beloved Huawei phone stuck on logo won't turn on, some of the following repair tips can help you restore it. If you have other questions, you can tell us in the comment section below the video and we will reply you within 24 hours. If you think this video is good, you can subscribe, like or leave a message to tell us which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is to perform a power cycle. If your Huawei phone battery is removable, you can also remove the battery, wait for 30 seconds, and then put the battery back into the phone again to fix the problem of stuck Huawei logo on Huawei phone. After that, turn on the Huawei phone again to check if the Huawei phone stuck on logo screen problem has been fixed. If your battery is not removable, you can also wait for the battery to run out, after which the Huawei phone will automatically shut down. After that, charge it for at least 30 minutes, and then restart the Huawei phone to see if it can be turned on normally. Method 2 is to prevent overheating. If you use your phone for a long time or use it while charging, the temperature of the phone is likely to rise. And when the phone is overheated, the problem of Huawei phone stuck on Huawei boot logo will also appear. So please check if the temperature of the Huawei phone is overheated. If so, please wait for the phone to cool down and try to turn on the Huawei phone again. Method 3 is to remove the SD and SIM cards. Sometimes the SD card and SIM card will interfere with the function of the screen, causing Huawei phone is stuck at Huawei startup logo. So, when your Huawei phone has this problem, one of the simplest solutions is to remove the SD card and SIM card from your device. For safety, please turn off the Huawei device before removing them, and then remove the card. Wait for 10 seconds before you can insert the card again. Of course, you can also temporarily not insert them. Finally, reopen the Huawei phone to check if you can enter the home screen normally. Method 4 is to force restart the Huawei phone. Force restart means forcibly shutting down the device and then turning it back on. Force restart can close all applications and clear some temporary software errors to keep Huawei devices in the best condition. So force restart your Huawei phone. To force restart your Huawei phone, long press the combination of Huawei phone force restart keys, power button and volume down button. Long press the combination of keys for 10 seconds or more, and wait for the logo to appear or vibrate on the Huawei phone screen. At this time, you can let go, your Huawei phone will automatically restart, wait for the restart to complete, and turn on your Huawei phone again to check if get Huawei phone out of stuck Huawei logo. Method 5 is to charge your phone. If your Huawei phone is stuck on Huawei logo and won't start, no matter how many times you try, it may also be due to low battery. To rule out this reason, charge your Huawei phone for at least 30 minutes and then try to turn it on again. After that, you may find that this simple fix can solve your problem. Method 6 is to boot to safe mode. This is another solution for Huawei stuck on logo fix. Try switching to safe mode. Safe mode is an advanced solution that helps you find out the possible reasons why your device is malfunctioning and fix the problem. It will point out if a malicious application is causing the device to malfunction. Because safe mode will allow your device to boot up with only the minimum required to run. Third-party applications will not affect your phone in safe mode. So safe mode is able to diagnose whether it is a third-party application that is causing the Huawei phone stuck on logo problem. Here are the steps to enter safe mode. First, make sure your Android phone is turned off and no USB is connected first. After that, long press the power button and the volume up button until the phone vibrates for 3 seconds. Then your Huawei phone will enter the interface with safe mode options. Use the volume down button to select and use the power button to confirm. After that, your Huawei phone should restart to safe mode and the safe mode logo will appear on the screen. If the Huawei phone can be turned on normally in safe mode, there may be a problem with the application you downloaded. If the problem occurred after downloading an application, then you need to find and delete all problematic applications. To exit safe mode, just restart your phone. Method 7 is to restore factory settings. If the Huawei phone stuck on logo screen problem still exists after trying the above solutions, consider resetting your device to factory settings. Since you may not be able to enter the home screen or even the phone normally, you may not be able to complete the factory reset under the Settings app. But you can use the power and volume buttons to perform a factory reset. But a factory reset will erase all the data in the phone's storage space, including contacts, messages, media files, and applications stored in the phone's memory. So, please back up your data before restoring the factory settings. Now follow the steps below to restore your Huawei phone to factory settings. Please make sure that the Huawei device is turned off and there is no USB connected first. After that, please press and hold the power button and the volume up button until the phone vibrates for 3 seconds. Then your Huawei phone will enter the recovery mode. In the Huawei recovery mode screen, please use the volume up and down buttons to select clear data and press the power button to confirm. Then select factory reset with the volume up and down keys and press the power button to confirm. This will trigger the reset process and it will only take 2 to 3 seconds to complete. After the factory reset is completed, click back to return to the recovery interface. Select and click restart here, and your Huawei phone will re-enter the device home interface. Finally, you can transfer your backed up data back to your Huawei phone. Method 8 is to seek help from professionals. After resetting to factory settings, if you still cannot unfreeze Huawei phone stuck logo screen, it may be that the hardware on the Huawei phone is faulty or damaged, such as water ingress, the screen itself, short circuit or some internal hardware. It is recommended that you contact Huawei After Sales Service Center as soon as possible. They will provide you with professional diagnosis and repair services. If you think this video is helpful to you and think we did a good job, please like and share it and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think we need to improve, you can also tell us your opinions and suggestions in the comment area. Thank you. Good luck.